Good day. Our lesson for today is all about composite functions. In this video, students will be able to, number 1, analyze the operation of functions. Number 2, perform the composite functions. And lastly, appreciate the importance of operation of functions. Let f and g be functions of the variable x. The composite function is the function defined by f composed of g of x or equal to f of g of x. So meaning your f, that will be your outer functions. And your g of x will be your inner functions. Let us have an example number 1. Let f of x is equal to 3x minus 1 and g of x is equal to 6x plus 4. Find f composed with g of x or f of g of x. Again, our f of x is 3x minus 1. We're going to do is we need to substitute the value of our x by using of the g of x. So equal, so 3 times our g of x is 6x plus 4 minus 1. Then distributive property, 3 times 6x is 18x. And 3 times positive 4 is positive 12 minus 1. So 18x and 12 minus 1, they are unlike sign. That's why you need to subtract. So 12 minus 1 is positive 11 because the highest sign is positive 12. So the answer is 18x plus 11. Another, find g composed with f of x or g of f of x. So we're going to do is we're using the function of g of x. 6x plus 4. We're going to do is substitute the value of our x by using of f of x. So 6 times the function of f of x is 3x minus 1 plus 4. So simplify. So 6 times 3x is 18x. So 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 plus 4. So 18x, negative 6, and positive 4, they are unlike sign. That's why you need to subtract. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and the sign is negative because the highest sign is negative 6. So the answer is 18x minus 2. Another. Let f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 5, and the g of x is 2x plus 1. Again, find f composed with g of x. Again, the function is f of x, which is 5x squared plus 5. To substitute the value of our x by using of g of x. So 5 times the function of our g of x is 2x plus 1 plus 5. Then after that, 5 times, you need to simplify the square of binomial here. So square of binomial is 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. So 2x times 2x is 4 x squared, and 2x times 1 is positive 2x, and 1 times 2x is positive 2x, and plus 1. So simplify, so 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So right here, so that will become 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 plus 5. Then after that, simplify. So 5 times 4x is 20x squared. 5 times 4x is positive 20x. And 5 times 1 is positive 5 plus 5. Simplify. So 20x squared plus 20x. 5 plus 5 is positive 10. That will be the final answer. Another. Find G composed with f of x. Again, we're going to do is we need to use the function of the g of x, which is 2x plus 1. We need to substitute the value of our x by using of the f of x equal. So 2 times the f of x is 5x squared plus 5 plus 1. So 2 times 5x squared is 10x squared, and 2 times 5 is positive 10 plus 1. So 10x squared plus 10 plus 1 is 11. That will be the final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to Teacher Ren TV. Thank you.